up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. I'm at the storage unit right now, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about shipping, go over some of the boxes, way to package it up, just some basics on shipping and what you can do to try to improve your game if you're starting out or even if you're an advanced reseller. So you see me loading up some boxes this morning that I got delivered from the post office. If you didn't know, you can order boxes from the post office just like these right here, completely free. Let me show you what they look like. First one I'm gonna recommend is this right here, the shoe box. Boom. Said completely free. You can order these from USPS website, make them up. Those will hold probably 90% of your shoes. That's what I ship in the majority of the time. The second one you're gonna need is this 1095 right here. That'll hold bigger sizes, and if you're trying to ship in the shoe box, it'll also hold that. It comes like this right here. Not sure if I have any going out with the box today, but they're like this. And what you'll do is basically just manipulate the box where it'll be wider like that, so you can fit bigger sizes in there, or even a box in this. So again, 1095 shoe box. Another thing you're going to want to look at for smaller packages is the padded flat rate. Again, all these shipping supplies are free on the USPS website, so just hop on there, get you a little stockpile going. I got another box of these, that's what I got left, and get you some boxes and some labels. Let's talk about the labels. So they ship these, so you can get these label windows like this right here, put them in this. So get your label. I'm doing it with the blank piece because I don't want to put anybody's information out there like that. So I'm going to do this one backwards, but you just easily slide it in here like this, pull this up over, boom, there's your label. Slap that on the box. So making a box obviously is real simple. Just fold it in, get some priority tape, another free. You can get free tape from the post office as well. So if you're shipping priority, slap that on there. Keep it open. Slide your shoes in there. So here's what we're shipping out. Vapor Max Flying at 3. Always make sure strings are right, factory lace. Make sure everything's as it should be. Double checking the size is right. Then we slide them down in our box. If you want, you can get some air packaging to put at the top and bottom of it. And with these, back portion you can peel off here. And it should look like that. Put it on your box, nice and sealed up, ready to go. Okay, so the next thing we want to talk about is first class. Get you a poly bag. This is a padded poly bag. I think it's 12 by 19. Anyways, what I do if I'm shipping something first class, especially if it'll fit in half of this, I usually seal the top here, like that. Just close it up, and then I fold it in half and cut it right down the middle. So I get 2 bags out of 1. They're about 50 cents a piece, depending on how big a bulk buy you buy them in. That's what I pay. And I actually need to order some more because this is my last one. This is what I'm shipping. It's a little Jordan 6 infrared. I'm gonna ship it first class. It's under £1. Save a little money on the shipping. And always look over your shoes. Just make sure they're clean. Like this one has a little bit of dirt on it. You can see that there. So I'm just gonna dust it off. You know, some stuff got on it from sitting in the storage, sitting in the box. So keep your little brush handy or rag or whatever, and just kind of dry dust it off before you ship it. Nobody wants to get dirty shoes. Now just take these, slide them down in here. Oh, this one has a little dirt on the bottom of it too. You can see that. So always keep some baby wipes handy. So I'll just wipe the bottom of these off. Somebody might have tried them on. Some kid might have tried them on or something.
Like these guys have.
Both of these actually ended up being just a little dirty on the bottom. Somebody definitely had tried them on. So as you can see, I just wiped the bottom of them clean with that baby wipe. Ready to go, ready to ship. Throw them down in your little poly mailer here. Like that. Then what I like to do is just fold in the sides. Come over the top, push that down. Then I'll actually run that label from here around to where it seals this up. I don't actually have to even use any tape because you can't use priority mail tape, which is free on a first class package. So to save a little bit on the tape, again, I just used the label to seal this guy up. So then it should look something like this, sealed up, boom, ready to go, no tape. Okay, so when you get done, you should have a big old pile of boxes like this, ready to go to the post office. So again, thank you guys so much for checking this out. I hope it really helps you with your shipping process. Help you to save some time and money. If it helped you out, please consider giving the video a thumbs up or smashing the subscribe button. Appreciate you guys checking it out. We'll catch you next time.